All right, so the big story today that we are tracking from right outside the residence of Delhi Chief Minister. His close confidant at one point of time, his cabinet colleague, Minister for Water and Resources and also Tourism, Kapil Mishra, who was sacked from the cabinet yesterday, came out with startling allegations against Arvind Kejriwal. Speaking at Rajghat, Kapil Mishra said that on Friday, he himself witnessed Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal accepting a bribe of 2 crore rupees from Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain. He had also demanded to know the reason behind taking the money, but Kejriwal evaded the questions, according to Mishra, and said such things happen in politics. Mishra also said the day Satyendra Jain goes to jail, everything would become crystal clear. Serious allegations for the first time directly on Arvind Kejriwal by his own party colleague.
नगर निगम चुनाव के दौरान उन्होंने जितनी बार पानी के मुद्दों पर चर्चा की है और कल जब तक मैंने एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो को लेटर नहीं लिखा उससे पहले तक जब भी उन्होंने पानी के बारे में बोला है, अपने खुद के बयानों को सुने, अपने खुद के इंटरव्यू को देखें, तो क्या वो पिछले 2 साल से दिल्ली की जनता को लगातार झूठ बोल रहे थे या कल किसी चीज को पर्दे में छुपाने के लिए झूठ बोलना उनकी मजबूरी बन गई। मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के घर पर देखा है, सत्येंद्र जैन जी 2 करोड़ रुपए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को नगद देते हुए मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा है। सत्येंद्र जैन जी ने 2 करोड़ रुपए नगद अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को मेरी आंखों के सामने दिए। मैंने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से पूछा कि ये क्या है, तो उन्होंने जवाब देने से मना कर दिया और उन्होंने कहा कि राजनीति में कुछ बातें होती हैं जो बाद में बताई जाएंगी। तरह तरह के मामले सामने आते हैं, कभी बस के घोटाले के, कभी टॉक्स हुए के घोटाले के, कभी पैसों के घोटाले के। कार्यकर्ता दूर खड़ा होकर देखता रहता था एक उम्मीद में कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, वो कभी पैसा नहीं ले सकते। आज दुख के साथ लेकिन इस संकल्प के साथ कि किसी भ्रष्टाचारी को नहीं छोड़ेंगे, जेल भिजवा के रहेंगे जिन्होंने कैश लिया, या तो वो बताएं कि वो पैसा कहां से आया, उस पैसे का हिसाब किताब दुनिया को दें।
All right, that was Kapil Mishra, former Aam Aadmi Party minister. Let's quickly, before we move on, listen into how the Aam Aadmi Party and the government defended Arvind Kejriwal. Manish Sisodia, Deputy Chief Minister, came out on Kejriwal's defense. Listen in to the reactions coming within the party and the government.
बहुत सारे एमएलए से मुलाकात होने के बाद ये बात बार-बार सामने आई है कि लगभग सारी विधानसभाओं में पानी को लेके बहुत त्राही मची हुई है और बहुत एमएलए परेशान थे पानी को लेके। पूरे दिल्ली में लोग पानी को लेके परेशान थे और एमएलए खास तौर से खूब गालियां खा रहे हैं लोगों की। ये बात मैंने बताई थी कल उनको और उसके बाद उनसे कहा था कि अब मुख्यमंत्री जी मंत्रिमंडल में फेरबदल कर रहे हैं। अब उसके बाद आज जिस तरह के आरोप, बेबुनियाद आरोप उन्होंने लगाए, उसके बारे में अब मैं क्या कहूं, वो तो बात जवाब देने लायक भी नहीं है। कोई इस पर यकीन नहीं कर सकता। बहुत ही उलझलूल आरोप उन्होंने लगाए हैं, उनका कोई सिर पैर नहीं है। इसके बारे में इतना ही कहा जा सकता है, उसका कोई जवाब नहीं है।
If the cabinet is being reshuffled and somebody is being removed, this is not the way to behave, and he has behaved in a very callous way. If Satyendra Jain is anything is found against him, ACB is there, CBI is there, all kind of bodies, all kind of organizations are there who will take care of him. There is nothing against him except a lot of media is doing trials on itself. Personally, I feel this is a case of very high impact indiscipline, and action should be taken against him.
All right, Kumar Vishwas was the most crucial factor as far as this latest crisis in the Aam Aadmi Party goes. Remember, just a few days back, it was Kumar versus Arvind Kejriwal. There was a talk of split in the party, few MLAs siding with Kumar Vishwas as well. At that point of time, Kapil Mishra was seen as one of the most close confidant of Kumar Vishwas. All eyes today were on Kumar Vishwas when he arrived here at 6 Flagstaff Road, the residence where I'm standing of the Chief Minister. After a couple of hours of the meeting, he made a surprise U-turn and came out in support of Arvind Kejriwal. Listen into what Kumar Vishwas said.
पार्टी के अंदर कार्यकर्ता की बात हो, पार्टी के अंदर राष्ट्रवाद के मुद्दे पर बात हो, पार्टी के अंदर टिकट वितरण में क्या डिस्क्रिपेंसीज हुई हैं, टिकट क्यों ठीक नहीं बटे, हमने अपने राजनीतिक एजेंडे में कहाँ गलतियां की, इस पर बात हो। लेकिन ऐसे खुले में आकर एक आरोप लगा देना बेबुनियाद बिना किसी आधार के, ये बहुत गलत है। मैं किसी भी आखिरी कार्यकर्ता को इस बात की अनुमति देता हूं, निजी रूप से कार्यकर्ता होने के नाते, आरोप मुझ पर हो, आरोप अरविंद पर हो। आप साक्ष्य लेकर अंदर आइए, अंदर बैठिए, साक्ष्य सबके सामने रखिए। तो ऐसा तो अरविंद की ओर से भी कहा गया है कि अगर वो गलत हो तो उन्हें निकाल दिया जाए, मैं गलत हूं तो मुझे निकाल दिया जाए। लेकिन एक बाहर ये सनसनी जो पैदा की गई है, इससे आम कार्यकर्ता भी दुखी है। मैं निजी रूप से बहुत आहत हूं। मेरा कहना है कपिल हो, अमानत हो, पार्टी ने जो एक नियम, एक स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया है, पार्टी उसे फॉलो करे। आगे क्या निर्णय लेगी पार्टी की सर्वोच्च संस्था पीएसी, मैं भी उसका सदस्य हूं। जब भी उसकी मीटिंग कॉल की जाएगी, आज करें, कल करें, जब भी करें, मैं उसमें जाऊंगा, अपनी निजी रूप से बात रखूंगा, मीडिया से उस बात को शेयर करने की आवश्यकता। मैंने कहा ये पीएससी आगे निर्णय करेगी, लेकिन मैं फिर कहता हूं अरविंद केजरीवाल, ये मेरा दृढ़ सोचना है, मैं 12 वर्ष से जानता हूं उनको, हर समय जानता हूं, अरविंद केजरीवाल रिश्वत ले सकता है, ये हिंदुस्तान में उनका भयानक विरोधी भी नहीं सोच सकता।
All right, breaking news coming in, and that is coming in from Ralegaon Siddhi in Maharashtra. Anna Hazare, Arvind Kejriwal's publicly acknowledged mentor, has spoken on this entire issue, and he has expressed his disappointment. Listen in.
आरोप हुआ है, इसके बारे में जो केजरीवाल जी है, उनके जो मंत्री, उनके ऊपर भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप हुए थे, लेकिन अभी तक केजरीवाल के ऊपर भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप हुआ है। इसके बारे में जो केजरीवाल जी है, उनके जो मंत्री, उनके ऊपर भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप हुए थे, लेकिन अभी तक केजरीवाल के ऊपर भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप हुआ है। इसके बारे में जो केजरीवाल जी है, उनके जो मंत्री, उनके ऊपर
That was Anna Hazare expressing his disappointment as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. But Arvind Kejriwal also got support from unexpected quarters. Yogendra Yadav, former member of the Aam Aadmi Party, who had a very bitter, was drifting apart from the party when he was thrown out of the party. He in fact came out in some sort of a defense in support of Arvind Kejriwal. All right, that was Yogendra Yadav also saying that such serious allegations should not be thrown out without without proper evidence. Now let's just look at the 7 big allegations that Kapil Misra made on Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. Number one, he spoke about the foreign funding of the party in Punjab. He also spoke about numerous scams. That is what he said. There have been many scams in the government of Delhi. He spoke about money laundering charge on Satyendra Jain, the health minister. He also spoke about a luxury bus scam in Delhi. He also spoke about nepotism by the Aam Aadmi Party ministers, hinting at Satyendra Jain, who appointed his daughter at one of the posts as far as the party is concerned, which later the party said that it was just a voluntary post. He also spoke about discrepancies in the CNG fitness scam probe and irregularities in Talk to Arvind Kejriwal campaign. These allegations were coupled with the serious allegation that he saw Satyendra Jain, the health minister, giving 2 crore rupees hard cash to Arvind Kejriwal. Let's now quickly go through the opposition, which is gunning for Arvind Kejriwal. Manoj Tiwari, the chief of the Delhi unit of the BJP, asked for Arvind Kejriwal's resignation. Listen in to what Mr. Tiwari had to say to India Today.
How is Delhi BJP reacting to this, and what is your course of action going to be?
We want resignation of Arvind Kejriwal and Satyendra Jain without delaying. ये आरोप नहीं है, ये गवाही है। आरोप तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगाती रही है, और पीछे के जो फैसले हैं उनको भी याद करिए। शुंगलू कमेटी की रिपोर्ट, 400 फाइलों में फ्रॉड है। 97 करोड़ का जो इन्होंने बजट दिल्ली की गरीब जनता का अपने लिए खर्च किया, उस पर भी फैसला है, गलत किया, लूटा। 4 करोड़ भी जनता के पैसे को लूटने की कोशिश की। 16,000 की थाली मंगा के भी जनता के पैसे का दुरुपयोग किया। 400-450 करोड़ का टैंकर घोटाला का आरोप हमने लगाया था। अब आरोप से आगे चले गए। टुडे कपिल मिश्रा, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर ऑफ अरविंद केजरीवाल गवर्नमेंट, उन्होंने गवाही दी है कि मेरी आंख के सामने सत्येंद्र जैन ने 2 करोड़ रुपया अरविंद केजरीवाल को रिश्वत के दिए। अब क्या बचा? प्रत्यक्षदर्शी गवाह तो सबसे बड़ा होता है ना हमारे संविधान।
What is your next course of action going to be?
We are going to meet respected LG today 5 PM and we are going to take strict action against Arvind Kejriwal and Satyendra Jain.
Sir, Manish Sisodia has said that these allegations are baseless, they're not even worth a response. What do you have to say to that?
Who is Manish Sisodia to give a statement on this issue? Manish Sisodia was not present there. पैसा दे रहे थे सत्येंद्र जैन, ले रहे थे अरविंद केजरीवाल, देख रहे थे कपिल मिश्रा, तो ये बीच में ही कहां से आ जाते हैं? जब ये देखे सुने नहीं तो झूठे आ जाते हैं।
Allegation of 50 crore rupees dealing, allegation of 2 crore rupees, allegation of Hawala, allegation of Punjab funding. I think Arvind Kejriwal has no right to continue as a chief minister even a minute. मैं समझता हूँ it's a fit case for the CBI to probe.
Guys, let me go live. All right, now joining me is Ashish Khaitan, Aam Aadmi Party senior leader. Ashish, one of the senior faces in the party. First of all, why didn't Arvind Kejriwal react to the kind of allegations? These are very serious allegations that have been leveled by a man who was till yesterday night his cabinet colleague.
Well, Arvind doesn't need to react to every wild and absurd allegation. Arvind as an individual and as the national convener of this party and as the hope of millions of Indians who want to see a corruption-free and clean India, I think has gone through a lot over the last 6-7 years. There have been many instances in the past also when someone who was very close to Arvind and in a way intrinsic to the movement had sabotaged the movement. So this is not the first instance. So I think Arvind doesn't need to react. The party has reacted, Deputy CM has reacted, and I think that suffices.
Ashish, you know, when you started your politics, the first thing that the Aam Aadmi Party did was ask for resignations of 14 ministers from the UPA. You did not come up with any hard evidence on that as well. Now, if there is allegation on Mr. Kejriwal by somebody who was till yesterday your own insider, a minister in the government, shouldn't at least the party say, okay, fine, come out with an, with some sort of a probe, and till that time Chief Minister will step down?
What? Tell me seriously, do you see any parallel between this instance and this episode and the corruption that UPA was indulging in? Do you see any parallel between the coal scam, the 2G scam, and the other ministers of the UPA who were involved in a spate of scandals? And this instance, I think everybody can see what's the truth behind it, and people are the best judge.
Who's backing Kapil Mishra? Why do you think he has come out with such allegations? Is it only, as a lot of colleagues of your party have been claiming, just because his ministry has been taken from him, he's acting like a sore loser?
See, there's an adage that a lie travels 1,000 miles before the truth can even put on its shoes. So I think the truth will eventually prevail. Truth is always slow to respond to a situation. Initially, in the first few phases, it's the lies which prevail. Truth will eventually triumph and prevail, and I think the media is robust enough, our democracy is robust enough, that eventually the unadulterated, unbridled version of this instance will emerge.
At a time when the party has suffered defeat in MCD, party has suffered not expected results in Punjab, very bad performance in Goa, now allegations directly coming at Arvind Kejriwal. In politics, perception is everything. You know it better than most people. How much do you think is going to affect the party and the morale of the cadres, which is already low?
I think today Arvind Kejriwal's stature as an anti-corruption crusader has gone up by several notches, because when even your die-hard critics and worse adversaries pay a tribute to you by saying that we would believe everything but not an allegation of this kind, I think that's the biggest testimony of a man's standing and his perception. So even in terms of perception, I think people can see what is happening. While Arvind Kejriwal is committed to the cause of a corruption-free system, want to solve the problem of Delhi, want to work for the people of Delhi, everybody. There are some detractors within the party and outside as well, BJP, Congress, everybody has ganged up to target Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal talks about Delhi, and everybody else talks about...
Very last quick question. The Anna Hazare, you say, talking about detractors, Anna Hazare, Arvind Kejriwal himself calls him his mentor, has just given a reaction, said, I'm extremely disappointed. So far there were allegations on ministers, but now on directly Arvind Kejriwal, he says, this has completely weakened the anti-corruption movement across the country.
We have a lot of respect for Mr. Hazare, Anna Hazare, but we respectfully disagree with him, and we'll try to tell him the full picture. Right now he doesn't know the facts. He's sitting in Ralegaon Siddhi. Media, he sees whatever is happening in Delhi through media. So I think once we apprise him of the facts, he will change his position.
In fact, we're getting a breaking news. Kiran Bedi has reacted. She wants a CBI probe against Arvind Kejriwal.
Let them probe.
Last thing, will Kapil be thrown out of the party now?
I think these are not decisions that are taken instantly by any individual in our party. There are institutions in the party, and those institutions will take cognizance.
Thank you so much. Ashish Khaitan of the Aam Aadmi Party, one of the senior leader, and you can see the kind of entanglement I have got myself in trying to get that reaction. So, all right. So that was Ashish Khaitan speaking exclusively to India Today. And once again, the party standing firmly behind Arvind Kejriwal. So let's just once again, that was Ashish Khaitan. We got him live for you exclusively on India Today. Let's just once again quickly listen into what Anna Hazare said, and we just got a reaction from Ashish Khaitan there.
उसके बाद बोलूँगा, लेकिन अभी मैं टीवी पर जो बातें देख रहा हूँ, टीवी पर जो मैं देख रहा हूँ, ये सब न्यूज़ देखकर मुझे बहुत बड़ा दुख हुआ है कि हम जिस भ्रष्टाचार के विरोध में लड़ते रहे, मैं तो 40 साल से लड़ रहा हूँ और अरविंद केजरीवाल भी मेरे साथ आ गया। दिल्ली के भ्रष्टाचार के विरोध में जो लड़ाई हुई, उसके कारण केजरीवाल मुख्यमंत्री बन गए और आज उन पर आरोप होना इतने दुख की बात है, मैं कह नहीं सकता उसके बारे में, लेकिन मैं पूरा स्टडी करके बाद में विस्तार से बात करूँगा।
लेकिन आपने जो सपना देखा था, क्या वो सपना टूट गया है?
नहीं, अभी तो
All right, so those were the reactions from the opposition, from those supporting Arvind Kejriwal. This is a developing story. We have our close eye and focus on this. We are spread out all through the national capital, bringing you every angle on this big breaking political story.